Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. So today again I'm taking you to a travel vlog, and today I'm going to take you to the Aachen Kaiser Garden. It is different from the Stadtgarten, City Garden, which that vlog I have already done. But there is another park here. It is also very famous park here. I will tell you more about that park in the vlog when we will go there. So let's go with me. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will be very happy to have you in my YouTube family. So let's go to the park.
So this is the entrance of the park. You can reach this park either by bus or by car also, and there is ample parking space on the side of the street, or even there is a separate parking lot, and that parking lot is also free of cost, and entrance to the park is also free. This park was named after a German king who died in 1888. So they started making this park in 1908. They started, and it took 2 years to make this park. There is so much space here to just lie down and just bring your picnic mat and just lie down here. And there is also kids playground also here. I will show you. It is just on this road. And there are so many trees. This is just a symbol here, and this is a kids parking area, playing area. There is also skating rink here, and this is a restaurant. We also have a restaurant here. And this restaurant you can have your coffee, cake. Mostly Germans like their coffee with cake, or some light food. So it's really good here. And on the right hand side there is a swimming pool here. This is the first free swimming pool. Free swimming pool means that it doesn't have a roof on it. It is open area, open swimming pool, and it is Aachen's first swimming pool, which also holds swimming competitions. And it has 50-meter swimming lane for the competitions. It is now open, even with in case of corona, still it is open. There is a boat house also here. There is a small shop where you can buy your things, and this is a boat house. You can rent a boat and just have a boat ride in the lake. Mostly all the parks have here always a small lake. And this is the open swimming pool. Mostly swimming pools are divided into two categories: either hall swimming pool, where it is covered roof, and closed swimming pool. And this one is open swimming pool. And this is a lake here. On the left hand side there is a lake, and there are enough benches to sit. And this park is divided into terraces, so there can be this terrace, this part where we are, it is just for the sitting around, playing, and just having a leisuring around, or having a boat ride, mainly for the activities. Then you go for third terrace is basically only for plants and benches to sit. And then on the fourth terrace, it is then you can see a panoramic view of whole garden. So the swimming pool here, which was I showed you just now, it is Hangeweiher swimming pool. So this is a particularity of Germany. Like if the Hangeweiher lake, the swimming pool is here, then restaurant will be called Hangeweiher. Swimming restaurant. And then if there will be chemist shop, then chemist shop will be also called Hangeweiher chemist shop. So that is how. Look, you can see kids playing in the area, and that is how German kids are really very close to the nature from the starting only. They know like trees, plants, grass. They are grown up in that area. We see trees only in the books in India, but here they know so many trees. They are free to. That is why they have more courage. They can go to the nature. They are more closely linked with the nature. That is how they're grown up. They are not shy of going into the bushes and playing around the bushes. So now I'm coming to the another terrace. This is the third terrace where we can, see the panoramic view, and it has so many plants and everything. And here, look, there is no grass to just have a picnic mat. It is mainly for just for having enjoying the panoramic view of the garden and the lake. Boat ride is not free. Boat ride costs. I am not sure how much it costs now, but earlier I did it and it was €5 per person, and for family I think it was for €18. Family of 2 children and 2 parents, like. Look here, flowers and everything. We really like it. It's really beautiful. One thing I found that here in Germany, old people are very active. They actually walk faster than me.
So friends, I'm back. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.